just when drone enthusiasts thought they were beginning to fully understand and explore everything DJI's Neo 2 had to offer. A wave of credible leaks and insider reports suddenly shifted the spotlight toward something far more ambitious, far more disruptive, and potentially far more important for the future of aerial creativity: the upcoming DJI Avata 360. This isn't just another incremental upgrade or a predictable successor in DJI's lineup. Instead, the Avata 360 represents a bold rethinking of what an FPV drone can be, combining two previously separate worlds into a single unified platform. For the first time, DJI appears ready to integrate a full 360-degree camera system with a switchable FPV drone capable of high-speed, immersive flight, all housed within one carefully engineered machine. Early leaked images initially caused confusion across the drone community, with many assuming they were looking at prototypes of an Avata 3. In reality, those images were showing the Avata 360 operating in FPV mode, cleverly disguising its true nature. The rotating gimbal design hides the bottom lens during forward flight, keeping the 360-degree camera functionality concealed until needed, which explains why the leaks didn't immediately reveal the drone's hybrid capability. This design choice isn't just clever from a secrecy standpoint, it also reflects DJI's deep understanding of usability and durability, ensuring sensitive optics are protected during aggressive maneuvers. Conceptually, the Avata 360 feels like an inevitable evolution for DJI. The company already dominates the consumer 360 camera market with products like the Insta360 competitors and leads the FPV space with the Avata series. So merging these two technologies allows DJI to leverage its strengths while creating an entirely new category of drone. For creators, this fusion is transformative. It means a seamless transition between fully immersive 360-degree filming and fast, dynamic FPV flight without switching devices, drones, or camera setups. With its innovative dual-mode system, advanced AI-driven stitching, and upgraded flight intelligence, the Avata 360 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting and versatile drones DJI has ever developed. It's designed not just for one style of shooting, but for an entire spectrum of creative demands, ranging from cinematic travel sequences and immersive landscape captures to high-speed action sports and adrenaline-fueled FPV runs through complex environments. At its core, the DJI Avata 360 operates in two distinct but interconnected modes, each unlocking a different creative workflow. In full 360-degree mode, both lenses face outward, one angled upward and the other downward, capturing everything around the drone in all directions. This enables the classic invisible drone effect, where the aircraft disappears from the final footage, leaving behind a floating, omnidirectional perspective that can be reframed endlessly in post. Switching to FPV mode causes the gimbal to rotate, exposing a forward-facing lens optimized for speed, responsiveness, and traditional FPV storytelling. This dual functionality effectively blurs the line between immersive capture and controlled cinematic flight, offering pilots a tool that can adapt to the moment rather than forcing compromises. Camera technology is where the Avata 360 truly raises eyebrows. Each lens reportedly offers a 180-degree field of view at 4K resolution, stitched together using advanced AI algorithms to create up to 8K 360-degree footage. This process dramatically reduces the need for complex manual stitching in post-production, saving time while maintaining high image fidelity. In FPV mode, the drone is expected to deliver up to 5,000 video at 60 frames per second, paired with 30-megapixel still photography, ensuring sharp, dynamic results even during fast movement. In 360-degree mode, panoramic stills could reach an astonishing 120 megapixels, providing massive detail for professional use cases such as commercial projects, virtual tours, and immersive VR experiences. To handle such demanding data loads, DJI has reportedly upgraded storage options significantly. The Avata 360 is expected to include 128 gigabytes of internal storage alongside microSD card support, offering flexibility and capacity for extended shooting sessions without constant data management interruptions. High-resolution 360 footage is notoriously storage-intensive, so this upgrade is essential rather than optional. Transmission and flight performance also see meaningful improvements. The drone is anticipated to use DJI's O4 Plus transmission system, extending its maximum range up to 20 kilometers under optimal conditions while maintaining a stable, low-latency feed critical for FPV flying. Flight time is rumored to sit around 25 minutes, a modest increase that nonetheless matters when capturing long cinematic sequences or complex FPV routes that require multiple takes. Safety remains a central pillar of the Avata 360's design philosophy. In FPV mode, the drone is said to rely on a combination of front-facing LiDAR, rear optical sensors, and bottom infrared sensors for obstacle detection and avoidance. This multi-sensor approach enhances situational awareness, especially for less experienced pilots or in unpredictable environments. In 360-degree mode, the lenses themselves may act as an omnidirectional sensing system, effectively giving the drone eyes in every direction. Advanced subject tracking, inspired by features found in the Mini 5 and Neo 2, ensures that moving subjects remain framed and in focus even during aggressive maneuvers or complex flight paths. DJI's planning around configurations further highlights the Avata 360's versatility. Entry-level bundles are expected to allow users to experience the core features, while FPV-focused kits include motion controllers, goggles, additional batteries, and charging solutions for longer sessions. For pilots seeking full manual control, the FPV Controller 3 will be required, sold separately to keep base pricing approachable. This modular approach ensures the drone can scale with the user's skill level and creative ambition. Of course, such power doesn't come without a learning curve. Editing 360-degree footage still requires a capable computer and familiarity with specialized software, while FPV flight demands practice, spatial awareness, and respect for safety boundaries. However, for creators willing to invest time and effort, the rewards are substantial. The Avata 360 enables storytelling perspectives that were previously difficult, expensive, or outright impossible. From immersive virtual reality content to fluid first-person action sequences blended seamlessly with panoramic context. From an engineering standpoint, DJI's attention to detail is evident throughout the design. The rotating gimbal not only enables dual-mode functionality but also protects sensitive components during aggressive flight. Weight distribution, internal materials, and structural reinforcement appear carefully optimized to maintain stability and responsiveness despite the added complexity. The integration of AI-driven imaging, intelligent tracking, and adaptive flight systems turns the Avata 360 into more than a drone. It becomes a comprehensive creative tool. By bridging the gap between professional filmmaking gear and performance-focused FPV drones, DJI is positioning the Avata 360 as a category-defining product. Its ability to seamlessly switch between immersive, full-sphere capture and high-speed FPV flight opens creative doors that were once firmly closed, enabling filmmakers, athletes, travel creators, and technologists to experiment without limitation. Whether used for sweeping cinematic vistas, documenting extreme sports from unprecedented angles, or pushing the boundaries of immersive media, the Avata 360 promises the versatility, performance, and intelligence needed to redefine aerial storytelling. While mastering its full potential may require patience and technical skill, the payoff is a level of creative freedom that few tools can match. With safety, innovation, and performance converging in a single platform, DJI is once again setting a new benchmark. And the Avata 360 stands poised to lead drones into a future where speed, immersion, and creativity coexist effortlessly, making the sky not just a limit but a canvas more exciting than ever before.